In this video, we'll compare the features of the native Cinema 4D visual selector and Blastframe Select to demonstrate how Select makes the creation and use a lot easier. Both the visual selector and Select allow the user to create buttons or hotspots that have custom colors, text, and transparency. They also both have follow actions that perform an action after the linked control is selected. This, however, is where the similarities end, and the Select plugin greatly improves the user experience. With the visual selector, each button is added one by one, which is extremely tedious. For example, the character object's advanced biped rig has 36 controls. You need to draw each button individually. If you're not using the character object, however, you'll need to add and link each hotspot too. Creating a character picker is exponentially quicker with Select. Select gives users the ability to create multiple buttons at once. You can select many controls, click the Add Multiple Buttons command, and they come into your picker automatically linked and colored. This is made even faster by just working on one side of a character and mirroring the buttons to the other side. Select also contains a background rendering tool, which helps the user get excellent picker background images easily. You can change the background color, create matte objects, and center the camera with a couple clicks, something that would need to be done manually when using the visual selector. If you want to save more time and your studio has a rig you commonly use, you can create a generic Select and reuse it easily with namespaces. Cinema 4D's visual selector limits each button to one link control. Select lets the user link as many controls as needed, which allows for transforms of groups, powerful follow actions, and scripts. The rigging artist can move this functionality that might otherwise be buried in tags or user data to the Select UI, which will be much more clear to the animator. Another area in which Select outshines the visual selector is design. To edit a button with the visual selector, one must edit the pixels of the button. In Select, the buttons stay editable, allowing you to change the width and height to fit your layout or when you want to add more buttons. You also get more unique button shapes. Rotating allows the user to match a button's angle to the character's design. By giving the user the ability to arrange the buttons, Select looks cleaner and more visually organized. You can align and distribute buttons to the center of the Select or to other buttons. The horizontal layout allows for greater vertical space than the stacked combined view layout of the visual selector. Background images can be updated by reloading them, something not possible with the visual selector without a restart. When animating with Select, you can reset the zoom to 100% with a button, something not possible in the visual selector. Select's differentiating features add much faster creation, more linked objects, design tools, and overall improved user experience for both rigging artist and animator alike. Thank you for your interest in Select. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content from Blastframe. You can also visit blastframe.com for product news and special offers.